Hey, welcome back. Today's a quick, tutorial, help section, whatever, on replacing the battery on the key fob for my 2019 Honda Ridgeline. We're gonna get right into it. It's gonna be a quick video on how to replace the battery. So, like I said, this is for a 2019 Honda Ridgeline, and replacing the battery in this is very easy. You don't even need a tool. There is a little latch on the back here. If you slide that, that'll let you pull out the actual key to your vehicle to unlock the doors if you needed to. And the battery was dead. Then the next trick, and I say you don't need a tool, and you really don't, but a screwdriver will help. What you need to do is put it between these two square rectangular pieces of plastic and pry this apart. And it's just clipped together and pop right apart. Now, I'm going to do it one more time. And I did this in the parking lot after buying a battery for the key fob the other day. And I just used the key. It's a little harder. You got to kind of wedge it in there. And then I popped it apart. So, like I said, you don't really need a tool other than the key that came with it. I typically carry an extra key on my key ring anyway. So, could have used that. Now, this is a brand new battery in here already. You just kind of pry back these little tabs around the battery just a little bit, pull the battery out of there, put a new one in. It is a 2032 CR 2032 battery. I bought a 2-pack because that's what the store that I was at had, so I have a spare, but it got me to where my truck wasn't saying, hey, key fob battery power low. And then for me, I put all this back together, put my keys on here, my little tag. That's it. Keys done. So like I said, I did that sitting in the truck in the parking lot at the store the other day where I bought the battery, just so the thing would quit telling me on the screen that the key fob battery was low. So I hope that helps. God bless. We'll see you again next time.